Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting super badge which is Apex for Agentforce. And also we are providing solution for all the modules for Agentblazer Legend series under a playlist called Agentblazer Legend. Do check that. And now let's take up our first challenge. So for this as well we need to connect our special developer edition org. So once if we are done with that, let's click on launch. And in quick find search for Einstein setup and enable this. So once done, search for Agentforce agents and let's enable this as well, followed by enable the Agentforce default agent. So if you scroll down, click on this Coral Cloud experience agent. Meanwhile, let's go back to our challenge and let's fill all of these. And here click on open in builder. So here click on new followed by new topic. Click next and fill all this with this information. So I have filled it, and followed by that I have added all the 6 instructions as well by clicking on add instruction. Now click on next. And guys, here search for lookup and select both of this, and then again search for get most and select this as well. So once done, click on finish and now go to context and click on messaging session followed by edit included fields. So here choose email and click on save included fields. Let's activate this. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining 3 challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.